Hello, welcome again. We are solving general study paper 1 of year 2023 of Civil Services Pre-Exam. Question number 72 is with reference to central bank digital currencies, consider the following statements. 1. It is possible to make payments in a digital currency without using US dollar or SWIFT system. 2. A digital currency can be distributed with a condition programmed into it, such as a time frame for spending it. Which of the statements given above is are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, and option D neither 1 nor 2. So here both statements are correct, and the explanation of these statements are: it is possible to make payment in a digital currency without using SWIFT system or US dollar system, because SWIFT system uses an intermediate, whereas central bank digital currencies uh, directly transfer from one to other, no intermediate. So central bank digital currencies uh, offer a potential alternative for cross-border payment by allowing direct exchange between participating countries, bypassing traditional financial intermediate like SWIFT. Okay, so first statement is correct. So what is SWIFT? SWIFT, Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, is a global messaging network used by banks and other financial institutions to communicate securely and efficiently, primarily for international payments and settlement. It acts as conduit for transmitting information about transactions like account details and transfer amount, but does not handle the actual transfer of funds. Now, digital currencies. What is digital currency? Digital currencies are cryptocurrencies and central bank digital currencies (CBDC) can bypass SWIFT system by using decentralized networks and direct interbank transactions, respectively. SWIFT is a traditional system reliant on intermediaries, whereas digital currencies facilitate peer-to-peer transfer and avoid the need for traditional bank-to-bank communication. Okay. So now, what more about CB? Second statement. Central bank digital currencies or CBDCs can be programmed with specific time frame for spending. This means the currency can be designed to expire after a certain period or have other time-based restriction on its use, such as incentive to spend it within a certain time frame. So second statement is about that. That is also true. First is also true. More elaboration on this second statement. Programmed CBDCs can be designed with specific conditions, including a time frame for spending. Purposes of Purpose of time frame. These time frames can be used to encourage spending, manage liquidity, or implement targeted economic policies. And examples are incentives. ACBDC could be programmed to offer a bonus or discount if spent within a certain period, encouraging faster spending. Expiration. The currency could be programmed to expire after a set period, preventing it from being hoarded. So answer is option C. Both statements are correct. So digital currency does not use SWIFT system or dollar system or US dollar. And second is it can have certain time frame for spending. So answer is option C. Both 1 and 2 are correct.